Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. We're just going to give it just 1 minute before we get started with our Opportunity Meeting Digital Bootcamp. Right, there we go. We'll get started dead on time. Thank you all for attending. This will be recorded and put up on the website with the rest of the digital boot camps later on today. In the meantime, the person you've got presenting to you today is the lovely Govinda, and this is all about the Oriflame opportunity and how to present it in the new digital world. So good morning, Govinda.
Good morning, everybody. And I'm here to present the Oriflame Opportunity Meet presentation, and which is customized as per today's times. And since we are in the lockdown period and there is little freedom allowed, so this opportunity meeting is will help you how digitally you can increase your VIP customers and your new consultants, your new recruits. So here I will tell you this opportunity meeting presentation will be presented by me in a manner that you all are guests and I am the leader who is presenting to you. So you will have a first-hand feel, and you will also come to know how you as a leader can present this complete presentation. So for today, I am your leader and you are all my guests, and I hope I get a lot of yeses when I ask who would like to join Oriflame. So let's begin. So in this first slide, so thank you once again from being here today. I welcome now to a wonderful session of how you can benefit your passion for beauty with Oriflame. I would like to start with my own story. I am a team manager with Oriflame and have been with Oriflame for the last 6 months. I first started because I was looking to do something productive and fun, but at my own convenient time. Actually, I'm a mother of a 2-year-old son, and most of my time is spent looking after him. I wanted to remain active in the little time that was left with me. I was introduced to Oriflame by my friend Julia. I joined Oriflame because of its flexible working hours. I really love Oriflame because not only did I find something productive to do, but I am also started making money out of it. I'm looking forward to save money and refurnish my son's room. That's a dream I have. I really want it to be a beautiful room, nothing less than a feeling of Disneyland when you enter that room. And I'm really looking forward to be able to do that with Oriflame. I'm also glad that I started a business of my own because it required a very modest investment of £39. And I'm happy to share that it is only £19 at present. That was my story with Oriflame, and I'm sure you all must be having lots of goals and dreams of yourself, and which I will take you through this presentation, and you can see for yourself how your dreams and goals can come alive. So let's move forward and let's watch a video. There's some issue with this video.
Hey, Govinda, have you got it embedded in your PowerPoint or?
Yes, is the video not being played?
No, I can't see it.
Okay. I don't know what's wrong with the video right now. Let me just see. Can you see it now?
Right, Govinda,
Yes.
you have no sound on this webinar, so you don't have it on the video. So we'll link it to a YouTube one in the recording afterwards for you.
Yes, sure. And at the end of the meeting, I can play it once again from a different video so that you come to know. It's a normal video, which is also available on the website. So when we go to the next slide, so Oriflame gives you the opportunity to combine your interest in beauty with building a part-time hobby or a full-time business of your own. So you can make money. As a beauty consultant, you can make money whenever and from wherever you want, and you can work from home. It's a fantastic chance to build a business from the comfort of your home. And you also have tools and trainings which will support you with all the digital tools and variety of trainings in beauty and business to help you through your business. Now let's see how you can make money with Oriflame and do it in your own way. So there are 3 simple ways to earn money with Oriflame: recommending products, building a team, and mentorship. Let's discuss all the 3 in details, starting with the first one, recommending products. So recommending and selling products with Oriflame is a great way to earn extra money. You will be selling through the personal beauty store and digital catalogs and making new customers. As a beauty consultant, you have guaranteed discount up to 30% on your personal orders on each product and on the sales of your VIP customers who shop through your personal beauty store. So how does it work? Here's an example. You recommend one Novate Ecollagen Wrinkle Power Day Cream to a customer. She orders 1 jar, which costs 27 pounds. You'll earn 9 pounds. The full Novate Ecollagen Wrinkle Power set is for 89 pounds. If you recommend and sell this to a customer, you will earn 27 pounds. As you can see, selling sets with help, you earn more money and offers your customer a complete solution to his or her skincare needs, like you experienced in the skincare session which you attended earlier. So as you can see, that it's important to recommend products for your own earnings. Then you can get more information on how to work with the digital catalog and your personal beauty store with our fantastic tool Oriflame Launchpad. I will definitely talk about all the tools later in this session. Let's now look into the second way of earning money with Oriflame, that's building your team. So once you start registering new beauty consultants, you will see your team grow. In fact, the more people sell in your team, the more you can potentially earn. How can your income grow? Let's take an example of beauty consultant gold level. So there are 5 people on your team. Each one sells a no-wage Ecollagen Wrinkle Power set. These are people in your first level, and you will earn £26 commission on their sales. Now, each of the 5 people on your team have their own team of 5 people, each selling a no-wage Ecollagen Wrinkle Power set. This is your second level, and you will earn a commission of £65 and above on their sales as well. Your team also uses the same methods of recommending and selling like you through their own personal beauty store or digital catalogs. The bigger your team and more they sell, the bigger commission you can earn on your team sales, bringing you even closer to reaching your dreams and goals. I found it easy to start building my own team. I first approached my family, friends, colleagues, and acquaintances. My friend Julia helped me build a contact list to start with, and I started getting my orders and registering new beauty consultants from there. Oriflame Launchpad now helps consultants to create a digital contact list from a very early start. And I will also like to share that last week I contacted my old school friend through Facebook, took her number, called her, and guess what? Was able to promote a no-wage Ecollagen Wrinkle Power set to her upon talking. This is how you get your contacts, and this is how you can start your business. And this is how your team starts growing, and then you have more opportunity to learn and earn. The third key behavior, mentorship. So coaching your team, which comes in place when you have a large team of people, you'll see how your work pays off, because when your team and sales grow, Oriflame will celebrate and reward you for your success even more. The perks of reaching higher is you can earn bonuses and increase your income and receive cash awards. So here I would like to share that I am aiming for the Gold Director title so that I can earn my first cash award of £1,500. My friend Julia, who is also my upline, is at the Gold Director level and has already taken her cash award of £1,500. She is aiming for the next one at Sapphire level of £2,000. And this is apart from what we earn regularly, apart from our regular earnings. So I'm so looking forward for my first cash award when I reach my Gold Director title, and it will help me achieve my dream of building my son's beautiful room earlier. So at Oriflame, it is not just about putting in the work. It's about enjoying a work-life balance, which is a dream for many. So having a life which has work and personal life as well, but you can get this in with Oriflame. So at Oriflame, you can work from home, either full-time or some days of the week, and build your business as per your own convenient time and space. Let's see what are the benefits of working from home. So there is no place like home to work and earn in comfort. Forget 9 to 5 hours, long commutes and offices. This is a home-based career happiness. Oriflame is designed with a flexible schedule and lifestyle in mind. With us, it's all about you. Enjoy discounts on your favorite Oriflame products and be a part of a supportive community. It is time to claim your work, life, passion, balance. Yes, Oriflame will give you this opportunity to follow your dreams at your own convenient time from home and also have your own personal life. It's a wonderful business which will give you fantastic opportunity to follow work life passion balance. Remember, you will be part of a big Oriflame community cheering you from every step of the way, right? There will be a whole community and you will be part of the community, and we cheer for each other on each step. So Oriflame is a wonderful opportunity to meet others like-minded beauty lovers, share business tips, and have fun together. You become part of the various Oriflame community through social media groups. You become part of your leader's online community where everybody learns from each other. There is also an opportunity to socialize and connect with other Oriflame consultants in the Oriflame online events and learn from online training sessions. Yesterday, I was part of a Facebook party organized by my friend Julia, who told me about Oriflame, and she also invited me to this Facebook party. The theme was the 80s hip hop theme, and everybody dressed up in the 80s hip hop theme, and it was so much fun that we uh, talked to each other through this Facebook party, played games, and had most fun. And I was so happy that I could join this Facebook party and have some fun even in these times. The best part of Oriflame is that you have all the tools and trainings to support you to start a new business. Join us. We are fun, friendly community of beauty lovers, and we'll provide you with all the support. Here are some helpful tools for you. Your personal beauty store, an online shop where your customers can browse and place orders. Oriflame Social to help you with engaging content to promote on your social media platform. Oriflame Launchpad to help you start your business in the best way. These tools will help you to work online whenever you want and wherever you want. So let's have a look in details of these tools and trainings. So you can start your social selling business immediately with the personal beauty store. A personal beauty store is your own e-commerce solution where you can sell online. It's easy to get started. Once your personal beauty store is set, you can promote, share, and sell a high quality beauty products, including our clinically premium no-wage skincare routines. The personal beauty store provides you the opportunity to find new customers and invite them to shop online. Let's talk about the next wonderful tool to help you start your business on the social media platform. So we believe that personal relationships and communities are important than ever. Oriflame can be offline or online, but it is always social. Oriflame Social plus your personal beauty store are the best friends for you in the digital world. They complement each other. With Oriflame Social, you can access high quality product images and create professional engaging content for social media. Customize the date and time for the content to be posted directly on your social media account. Access thousands of ready to use posts. You can also measure your progress with each statistical tools, and you can learn from training and tutorials to help your social media and business strategy. Let's see how you can start your success from the very first 90 days, and you can start immediately with Oriflame Launchpad. So don't worry, you don't need any prior experience to become an Oriflame beauty consultant. Oriflame Launchpad will support you to start immediately. I talked about it in my previously as well. So what is Oriflame Launchpad? It is mobile, interactive, and easy way to start your first steps with Oriflame. You have fun, time-scaled, easy activities to do. It keeps you engaged through videos, tips, and various examples to start right away. It is a tool which will help you practice and kickstart your business immediately, of recommending products, team building, and mentorship. Let's look at the benefits you can avail in your first 90 days now that the tools are in place and you can start your business easily. So the first 90 days plays an important role in the setup of your business and also forms the base for you to achieve your dreams. which like the ones I shared with you of making a beautiful room of my son. So we have a complete first 90 days plan for you, and you can earn around 300 pounds or more in your first 90 days as per your team structure and team sales. It is easy to work around the key way in the first 90 days, which we talked about earlier, and reach these benefits. It's a simple process of duplication. So recommending products, you can start by placing your own order, and you can share your personal beauty store link and create VIP customers to shop online from it. You can build a team by registering new beauty consultants under you who will then duplicate what you do. You can start mentoring your team, start guiding and coaching them, just duplicating in the manner we are guiding and coaching you. So with the right efforts, guidance from the fantastic tools and trainings, and complete support from our side, you can achieve beauty consultant title from the registration campaign itself and go to become a proud beauty consultant platinum by the end of your fourth full campaigns. Remember, the more VIP customer and registered beauty consultants in your team, higher the earnings. The participants might have questions, and regarding all this, and you have to then clear them and tell them that it is very, very easy. To add to your earnings, we also have fantastic bonus program in your first 90 days. Let's have a look into them. So we have designed a bonus program to help boost your success from the very beginning of your Oriflame journey. This is only available to you within your first 90 days. Remember that with us, and it can be easily achieved once your personal store is in place and you start sharing the digital catalog. So when you start placing your personal order, you can qualify for welcome program which you can get our best selling products to try for yourself or show it to others. When your personal beauty store is set and your customers start shopping from there, you can get fast start program. When you start registering new beauty consultants, you can get platinum advancement bonus, a chance to earn cash bonus of 350 pounds and even more in your first 90 days, and this is over and above of the 300 pounds which I talked earlier, which you can earn through commissions. All these details are available in the Oriflame Launchpad Step 1. Here is a fantastic chance to be part of a rewarding journey. On joining Oriflame, you can get a complete business opportunity package of making money from the very start for only 19 pounds by working as per your choice, time and place. And as mentioned, the investment is now 19 pounds only. This is towards our digital starter kit, which will include the full package of a personal beauty store, Oriflame Social, the Oriflame Launchpad, industry leading e-learnings, trainings, of course, our success plan to give you the best towards a successful journey with Oriflame. I'm sure you are excited to fulfill your dreams like I am excited to fulfill mine. So there are so many exciting things in Oriflame and such an easy start. We know we have just covered a lot of ground in a short period of time. Remember, Oriflame is the most rewarding journey and we are always there to support you. So let's get started on your registration. So joining Oriflame as an independent beauty consultant is very simple. I will share my personal beauty store link and you can complete the registration process. Here you can you should WhatsApp or share your personal beauty store link on the screen and ask the people to register themselves, and help them in registering. So this is how we will go through the opportunity, and once they have registered, it is important that you take them through the Oriflame step 1 launchpad. Of course, there will be many people who will be in a hurry. You can still send them or message them with your personal beauty store link and ask them to complete Oriflame Launchpad step 1 and get back to you once it is done. So because once people leave, they should have something with them for which they can continue the process. But there will be some people who are interested and want to know more immediately. So people who are interested and want to know immediately, you should wait even if you are on a digital platform, and tell them to register themselves and take them through the step 1 Oriflame launchpad. It's very, very important because Oriflame Opportunity Meet is of course about telling things and also to get results out of it. So nobody should leave without your personal beauty store link and a request to register online. And because with this opportunity, either you will get VIP customers using your personal beauty store link, or you might get beauty consultants, new registered recruits as well, since you've told them to register. It's a very easy process, and taking them through Oriflame Launchpad is the getting started, because they should know what is next that they need to do. So this is the complete Oriflame opportunity meeting which you should do, and it's a digital platform. It's an easy slides, simple slides, and you can go ahead and do more OMs digitally and work from home and have lots of success. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can email to Mary and she can get in touch with me. Mary, over to you.
Gosh, that was very concise, Govinda. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time this morning. So everybody, these slides will be available online later on. The video recording of this training will also be up there. So this is a perfect way to introduce Oriflame to different people, different times. So enjoy. Thank you so much, Govinda, and we look forward to seeing you or hearing you on a future digital bootcamp.
Yes, sure. All the best, everybody. Do use this presentation and let us know how did it help you and if there are any feedbacks for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you.
Bye-bye.